The moon is high, but I can't sleep tonight. Barnaby Bear snores with all his might. I tried a pillow, a blanket too, but his snore shook the forest. What could I do? Oh, Milo the mouse, so small, so brave, searching for a way to find some peace to save. When the world feels big and the noise won't stop, you'll find a way. Don't ever give up. I went to King Leo, the lion so grand.
Your Majesty!
Please lend me a hand.
Thinking, young mouse, I'm busy, no time to spare. Why bother me about a snoring bear?
But then I saw him scratch his mane. The king looked so proud, but he was in pain. Oh, Milo the mouse, so small, so kind, helping King Leo, no reward in mind. When the world feels big and the noise won't stop, you'll find a way. Don't ever give up. I climbed his tail, his golden fur, found those fleas. Oh yes, I'm sure.
Little mouse, you saved the day.
What can I do to repay? Hop on, Milo, hold on tight. Leo kneels down in the pale moonlight.
Thank you, Leo. I was so scared. Little paws tremble, but he's almost there.
Milo the mouse, you're safe tonight, riding on a lion through the silver sky. Grateful hearts, brave little steps, every friend you need is by your side.
Through tall grass, past Owl's tree, almost there now, just follow me. Barnaby, wake, the cave doors echo, the mountains shake.
Who's there? Is it spring already? Barnaby blinks, still warm and heavy.
He sniffs ear, spots Milo's knees.
Oh, my little friend, you're welcome here.
Leo roared loud, Barnaby smiled.
Now my heart can rest a while. I'll stay awake, I'll watch the night, and I'll stand guard till morning light.
The rabbits dance, the songbirds hum, crickets play their tiny drums.
Hey, fox and deer sway in the breeze. Forest friends, sing Milo to sleep. Milo the mouse, curled up small, dreaming small. a brand new dawn.